Jeremy Alexander Newsom with a stock review. I hope you are doing simply splendid. It is March the 1st. What I really love about today's candle, unfortunately, this is actually not entirely accurate. It is a very bullish day, but we didn't have a lower shadow. So let me go to a 4-hour chart just so you can kind of see what's going on. We had a really nice hammer on the 4-hour chart. We had a nice bear candle. We gapped above a lot of bears today. Now, is this the exact bottom? I kind of think so. I think we could actually pull back, worst case back into here, which is this hold resistance and then bounce again. But in general, I did go long on a lot of things on Friday, so I'm in it to win it. Why did I go long on Friday, you might ask? Well, here's the answer. So we trade down to the 50 EMA on SPY before, right there, in fact, and guess what? We did again on Friday. So it worked the last time. This was the very last day of the last month in January. In February, we start off with a gap up, and it just kind of rampaged from there. February was an amazing month for so many traders at the beginning of the month. And honestly, towards the tail end, yeah, we got punched right in the face. But most traders at RLT did still end profitably. We had some that didn't, obviously, and that's, I never want that to happen, but it was an amazing, amazing month. Some traders posting triple-digit R's for February. So yeah, February was amazing. We pulled back, and again, daily, weekly, and monthly gaps out there, my friends. Daily, weekly, monthly gaps. This is strong, strong signal. So in my opinion, I think we're just going to keep going higher. Let me kind of cover some positions that I did get triggered into that I am in, and I'll just kind of review some with you. First on the list, of course, Tesla. Yes, let's talk about it. Tesla pulled back gorgeously into the 100 simple moving average, 30% pullback, which is very healthy. Trade right down to the 100 simple, where of course you had to buy some Tesla down there. I mean, if you've taken any class ever of mine, ever, you bought some Tesla down there off the 100. Unfortunately, this wick is not actually real, although we are up a little bit post-market, just a little bit, which is nice. I don't think that wick is not actually real. So for me on Tesla, I am in long calls, I'm in shares, I'm in put sales. If it can go up with Tesla going up, I'm in it. And yeah, buy low, sell high, Tesla looking nice. Zoom reporting earnings and is gapping up right now. Pre-market's about 444, so it's right about here. Highly expecting Zoom to gap up, fade down tomorrow into like 420, and then slowly eventually bounce higher. I am bullish on Zoom. I do have call options and some shares. I mean, hey, we use Zoom on like a daily basis, so why not be in it long term, right? It makes sense. Wix, I still have call options on Wix, and what we have right now is a consolidation station. We are down on Wix, but we have higher lows, relative highs. I'm waiting this thing out, and I think it's going to go to 400 by April. We will see, but long story short, I do have longer term call options, and you guys know I've been in Wix for a while. I've been in those call options since back here in late January. Well, sorry, let me rephrase. I've been in these call options for a while, but I bought more in late January. And yeah, so we'll see if Wix continues higher. Hopefully it does, but I do have positions longer term in Wix. And if it goes higher, I'll be pleased. Speaking of longer term positions, Teladoc pulled back again. So I am in some positions on Teladoc. This is your weekly chart. And weekly, I mean, guys, Teladoc was at 305 2 weeks ago. It's now at 215. What? 30% pullback in 2 weeks because of why? No idea. Other than, of course, old resistance, new support, and we were retesting old resistance, new support. So I bought some Teladoc calls, shares, put sales. Amwell, another telehealth company, buy low, sell high, channel. I'm going to be in this one for a while. This is the probably 6th time I'm trading Amwell down this particular price range. Love this Morningstar reversal potential pattern. Love this little gap right here. If it can break higher, Amwell looks like a thing of beauty. Silver hanging out. I do have some call options on silver. I still do like the weekly chart. The trend looks nice. I like the monthly. We are at a resistance for sure. So just going to wait for silver to kind of do its thing. I think it's going to hang out, chop around, chill out for a while, and then eventually, hopefully, potentially go higher. Feburary, I am in Feburary, R-A-C-E. I got back into this position. This was a perfect hammer that we played in early February and got stopped out on just recently. Wicked out, actually. So got back in with the wick out, and this is the setup that I have right now on Feburary. So we'll see if Feburary does anything interesting. First time it's hitting the 200 simple in forever. and is right now just pulling back about 17%. So looks good overall. Ethereum, yes, of course I'm in Ethereum. Why would I not be? So Ethereum had a really, really good pullback, about 33%. Just taught the crypto program, which that's my call to action for you today. If you have not purchased it, gone through it, or accessed it, please do so. It's very worth it. It's extremely lucrative for you to go through this and learn all about cryptocurrencies, or have your children or their children or your friends, whoever. Get people in this class, learn about it. It's very valuable. I mean, this particular trade right here already up quite substantially on. That was a 16% move in 3 days, plus a daily hammer out the gate. Just a thing of beauty. So Ethereum looking nice. Bitcoin looking really good. Rotated lower, and 4 pyramids on Bitcoin got filled. So that's good. Overall trend on that one still holding up strong. And so many good opportunities out there, folks. Amazon, just to give you a quick update on Amazon, I did get into one more contract. So I'm in a $4,000 call. I'm in 3 of them now. March 1st, buy to close my short calls, and then added my long call, one more long call per my plan. So I created this plan, I think back on the 22nd of February, if it trade down to the 200 simple moving average, buy to close my short calls and buy one more long call and wait. So right now I'm pretty much going to wait all of March and pretty much most of April to see what happens. If Amazon does bounce and trades all the way back up into the 34.27 area, then I will sell calls against my 4,000 calls and see if I can lower that dollar cost average, hold this position up into earnings, and then maybe in May or June. So we'll see what Amazon does. Right now, though, pretty much just chilling. Ladies and gentlemen, that is your stock review. Please post in the comments, what would you like me to review on my Wednesday real life stock review? I'd be happy to review whatever you want me to check out. And until then, smash and love on that subscribe button. Thank you so much for being a part of this community. I'm so thrilled, excited, and enamored to be with you during Kids Month, which is March. And until then, love life, live life, and trade. Bye.